How to enable or disable send read receipts in messages in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. After clicking on apps, then scroll down and here you can see the messages app and click on messages app, and then scroll down and here you can see the option send read receipts. Now here you can enable and disable it. If you want to enable your send read receipts, then simply turn this button on, and if you want to disable send read receipts, then simply turn this button off. So this is the way to enable or disable send read receipts in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.